Samsung unpacked their new Watch 6 lineup. Physical bezel is back in the Watch Classic. Normal ones are the same sizes as last year's, 40 and 44 mm, but additionally Classic version sports 43 and 47 mm. Screen to body ratio is slightly improved on all watches, 20% more screen. Someone had to intervene. In terms of hardware, no new sensors but old bezels. Temperature sensor apparently more used in some new application or readout. HRV finally, no. Still no separate HRV readout. In a video they said they use it for sleep tracking though. So again confirmed that the watches can read HRV, but for separate readouts still third-party apps like Veltory needed. In terms of battery, lasts up to 40 hours, probably not. In terms of software, a few new ring widgets, fall detection, Samsung Pay is now Samsung Wallet. You still can use the camera companion app. I thought many times this would be so useful, but due to the laggy software experience on my Watch 4, barely ever use it. Samsung also offers new bands, offering a new click-on swap, but the bands usually are overpriced compared to the unbranded ones from other sellers. The textile band also looks nice. These then are all the watches listed currently on the website. Prices of the new Galaxy Watch 6 lineup in US dollar. For the Wi-Fi options, Watch 6 40mm 299, Watch 6 40mm 329, the 43mm Classic 399, 47mm Classic 429. Prices of the new Galaxy Watch 6 lineup in US dollars. For the Wi-Fi plus LTE 4G option, 40mm 349, 44mm 379, 43mm Classic 449 and 47mm Classic 479. Watch 6 2x classic sizes 43 and 47 come in black and silver. There is a personalization option, but it still works only with the mentioned case colors, making the Watch 4 the last black watch one can get, or the Watch 5 Pro. Whereas the non-physical bezel version comes in gold, graphite and silver, nudging everyone who wants a black version into the Watch 6 Classic. Should I upgrade? I have a Watch 4, turned almost unusable after about 1 year, got the battery replaced. Now usable, and the only significant difference to the Watch 6 42mm will probably be the temperature sensor missing on the Watch 4 is on the 5. If money were no object, I would get the 6 43mm due to having more physical interaction option compared to touch often being latent. Also the additional temperature sensor, it would increase visual symmetry. About increasing visual symmetry, due to the lack of features of both systems, I currently use a Garmin Fenix 6S Pro for activity tracking, Galaxy Watch 4 40mm to not stop data tracking with Samsung Health as emergency phone and payment option. Especially the reliance on physical buttons, Garmin 6S Pro has no touch of the Garmin makes it more convenient to track workouts, 3 clicks for starting the last activity. For this reason, getting the 43mm Classic in black would probably be my upgrade option. Garmin watches, apart from a few old models, still have no mobile network. The one emergency phone call from the jungle with your watch? No. Paying with Garmin Pay on a run without a phone with internet? No. This means, for anyone looking to have both smartwatch and health tracking, the Apple Watches if Apple or the Samsung Watches if not Apple are probably the go-to options. And for pro sports tracking options, Garmin Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but not really on the same level as top-level sports watches like Garmin. Apple Watch 5 Pro, similar. Apple Watch Pro, similar. Garmin's can last for days in the jungle, but no cells in the jungle. I use for both the standard band of the Galaxy Watch 4 since I had both, and conveniently they have the same quick release width of 20mm. The Garmin has 42mm diagonal, where this would make the 43mm Watch 6 the most similar in style, increasing visual symmetry. I think it's actually 40mm. New Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 lineup summary. The bezel is back with 2 new, also more expensive size options with 43 and 47mm. The old touch form factor and design continues in 40 and 44mm. Sale begins on 11th of August. Still Wi-Fi or 5G LTE versions as usual. Pricier.